Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I grew my eyebrows just so that you can see how I shave them, guys. First of all, don't mind my eyeliner. I know it's not equal. It's been so long since I applied and I was also in a hurry, okay? So you guys, I grew my eyebrows so that I can shave them on camera and so that you can see how I shave them. So to shave yours, you only need 3 things, only 3 items. Okay, let me show you. The first thing you need is this brush, but you can use any brush as long as it will brush your brows. Some prefer using a toothbrush. It is also so good, but for today I'll use my eyebrow brush. Okay, you'll also need Vaseline. I know some people also prefer to use a remedy, so you can use any solid oil. And you will need a razor. Just use a very new razor blade that is so sharp, okay? But if you've used yours once, you can use it for the second time, but make sure it's new and it's sharp, okay? Yeah, let's get now into today's video, guys. The first thing that you should start with is this Vaseline. So I always apply Vaseline on the eyebrows before I start shaving. You can use any solid oil. This one is to make sure that your razor is going to slide in very easily and you will avoid cutting yourself unnecessarily. Next step is now the shaving step. So I'm going to use my clean shave to shave the eyebrows. Okay, let's do this. Just look carefully. I always shave slowly. You shouldn't be in a hurry. Remember, this is a permanent look that you're making. Okay, you'll be like this for like 2 weeks. So be very slow and sure, okay? First, I love combing my eyebrows like this so that I can get, when you comb them like that, they become clear and they get to shape themselves, so you won't mess up while you're shaving, okay? After that, I go in with the razor. I love starting with the lower part because the lower part is the one that should give you the shape of your brow. Then when you're shaving, lift your eyebrows like that, okay? Yeah, so that you cannot mess the line. When you lift them like this, you'll be able to see your natural line. Yeah, let's do this.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
It's now good, guys. Let's go to the upper part. Also, don't shake too much. When you fear so much, you're going to mess your brows. So just cut, shave. You're here to shave, okay? Yeah. Now let's do the upper part. The upper part doesn't require much shaving, okay? If you shave the upper part much, you are going to look scary.
You should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh.
Well, I don't want my brows to be so thin, so I'm going to leave them like that. What do you guys think? Ooh, that was so easy, man. But I'm going to do this other eye just in case somebody wants to look at that process once again, okay? Let me quickly do the other eye.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and
When you're doing the other one, now you need to be extra careful, more than you are the first round, because you don't want now those eyebrows not too much, okay? Yeah, they don't have to look like twins, but they have to be like sisters. Okay.
fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby. Yeah. We should breathe slow. We should breathe slow. We should breathe slow.
So if you're shaving yours for the first time, just be slow, and once you do the first round, from there it will be so easy for you. So the first round is the one that is always so difficult, and after that you'll get used to this. Hoping you enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next. Bye.